there, guys. My name is Eggplant Red Rage. Welcome to another episode of Eggplant's Linux Tip. On today's episode, we'll be taking a look at a software that you could use to sync music to your Zune. It's called Zune. It is a complete replacement for the Zune software. It is amazing, and it's still in alpha. It just came out, and I'm pretty excited about this. So we're going to be taking a look at it in a second. Stay tuned. Alright, we are on my desktop here. Before I start, I must stress that this is still alpha software. It's not perfect. It is quite buggy a little bit, but it is functional. Like, I have been able to sync some music to my, what I call my guinea pig Zune that I use for testing stuff like this. It is, like I said, this is still alpha software. It is not ready for prime time yet. It is quite incredible. Because this means, like in my last video, I explained how I sync music to my Zune using a virtual machine. I don't need to do that anymore. It is a little bit finicky right now. I'll show you how to sync your Zune. I had a little bit of an issue. I had to contact the developer on how I could sync it, and he was very nice. He gave me like a troubleshoot and everything. We got it to sync with my guinea pig Zune and stuff like that. I'll show you how to do that. I'm not sure if I'm going to show you syncing. I'm mostly going to show you how you can get it working on this. Which I'll show you towards the end. So here is the software right here. We're gonna open it up, and this has become my favorite way of listening to music on Linux. I don't even use Rhythm Box anymore. I just think this is such a better alternative. But as you can see, we have all my music is here. As you can see, we have all my music. I'll try to find something that is not copyrighted. Maybe 8-Bit Weapon is going to be safe. Of course, I'm not going to play copyrighted music on my YouTube. I already got fucked away by doing that. Let's see. There we go. Macintosh Plus. As you can see, it plays very well, and what I like, it has the now playing thing with all my album art, all my music right here, which I always thought it was pretty cool. As you can see, this is pretty awesome. This is very, very cool. I really like this. This has become like my favorite way to listen to my music on Linux when I'm working on some project or coding. This has become my favorite way. You can save it as a playlist, which is cool. I think this software can also read playlists. I need to transfer over my Zune playlist. Yeah, this is very, very, very cool. I don't know if you can sync your audiobooks. I think that might be coming at a later date. But as you can see, we have the albums here. You have the music, like the Zune software. There's just no Zune store because that was shut down like years ago. You have your playlist here, which I'm gonna have to redo. Your artists. This is very cool. You have your Zune, which I don't have it plugged in at the moment. We're going to be using my guinea pig Zune for this. But syncing music works pretty well on here, actually. As you can see, videos is grayed out right now. That is not. I think this is not implemented yet, but there's a lot to this too. If you clicked on this one here, you can change the visualizer. You can make it curvy right here. You can make it low, or you can turn it off altogether. I like to have it right here. You can change the settings here, the color. This is a lot more better than the Zune software. I don't think you could do that on the Zune software. We also have settings, so you can add like your videos, playlists, podcasts, photos. You can prefetch artist images during ingestion and cache full resolution for now playing. Alright, discovery ID to. This is very, very good. You can also have it to when it plugs in when you have a Zune plugged in. It auto opens, which I have enabled. Yeah, this is very interesting. This is very, very good. This, like I said, this was made by Magic is in the Hole. This is very. This just came out. This is already my favorite piece of software on Linux. So I don't need Windows anymore to sync music, and this thing does it well. Right now, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to sync music to it. Alright, first thing you need to do is make sure you go into General right here, and you add Zune USB access rules, which I already did. You just have to click this button right here. I'm not going to click that because I don't want to redo what I did, but it's going to say like install USB rules. You just click that and it's going to work. Now, when you plug in your Zune, I'm going to plug in my guinea pig Zune. It's going to show up right here. Like I said, it's going to like I did say, sorry for that. As you can see, it does show up, but it doesn't show up in the Zune software. What you need to do is open the terminal, and I had to, and the developer actually told me to do this. So what you do is, I'm going to put this command down in the comment section, not in the comment section, but down in the description, so you can just copy and paste, and you push this, you enter your password if you have one, and we have right here our USB. So what you do is you copy this right here, you take this number right here, and then you have to type in kill and this number right here. You have to do that on. If you don't do that, the Zune is not going to detect at all. So I copy and paste it. And there you go. My Zune is open right here, and it's syncing all my music. This is an incredible piece of software. I really, really like this. Now I'm syncing a bunch of music because I'm planning to give this Zune to my mother, possibly. She doesn't want it, but I may use this for actually for my stereo. Actually, I plan to buy another dock and for my hi-fi because my mother doesn't want it for some reason. She just wants to use her phone, which is fine. But as you can see, it's syncing all my music, and it actually appears on the Zune. It actually appears in the Zune. This is just incredible. This is just such a time saver because before, like I said in my previous video, you needed to have like a VM if you wanted to sync that on Linux, and it was a total pain in the ass to do that. Now I don't need to do that anymore. The alpha works perfectly fine, actually. It works like the regular Zune software. Absolutely genius and amazing software, guys. I'm going to put a link in the description so you can check it out. But it is amazing. I really like this program. I I'm gonna be using this to listen to my music now and syncing with my Zune. Like I said, I don't think videos and music. Now, music is supported, but I don't think pictures, videos, and podcasts and audiobooks are supported right now because when I click them, they do nothing. Um, but that will come at a future update. Um, Very interesting piece of software. Very, very good. Magic is in the hole. If you're watching this, you did a very good job on this software. It is amazing. This has become my favorite way of listening to music. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in the next one. Peace.